Okay, so we're in the kitchen. We're about to get started with the juice for the skin. I've already got everything laid out. I got my juicer. We have our cabbage here, the cucumber, which I'll cut up, the cup of grape, the grapefruit, the lime. So let's get it started. I'm going to go ahead and juice the red cabbage first. Get that in there. I cannot wait to taste this. I'm going to cut this up a little smaller just so that the process goes a little faster. Let's get this cut up a little smaller for you. Put that in the juicer there. Cut up a little more. And we can get this, we can put more in there. We'll get the cucumber going. Cucumber in there as well. Drop the cucumber. And I didn't peel the lime. This lime peeled and get that in there. I don't know why I didn't peel the lime, y'all. I should have peeled the lime. But it'll take long to peel the lime. I'm gonna be close to this lime. Hope I have no cuts on my finger because that hurt. Get this peeled. This lime and that cucumber is the hydrating part for the skin. It makes your skin hydrated. And as we age, and at any age, hydration is good for your skin, especially going into the summer months. The sun is going to be out and we need that hydration for our skin. So let's get this lime in there. Just a little bit off the lime. There we go. And I'm going to cut the lime. Get that in there. And then the grapefruit was already peeled. Let's cut that a little more. Y'all know I want to bite this. I'm going to bite it. So good. I love grapes. Everything is in there. Let's get her going. Let's see our magic skincare. Get her going. Look at it. Coming out. Gotta get you closer over here. There it is. Look at that pretty purple. All these antioxidants in this to make our skin glow this summer. I cannot wait to taste it. I have my glass ice. I know this is going to be yummy. And this is something that we can drink twice a week. Right. Looks like everything is mixed. Now let's taste it. Stir it up a little bit. And let me see. This is good. This is so good. I was a little intimidated because I didn't know how the cabbage was going to taste. But y'all, when I tell y'all this is good, it is so good. You got to make this. Ladies, we need our skin to glow this summer. It's yummy, cold, it's fresh, and it's nutritious. Bye for now.